today I have to use up the rest of my red potatoes and my one sweet potato. So I got some coconut oil out that melted in the skillet, and I have chicken breast that I have filleted. You gotta be very careful when you fillet, not cut your hand. My hand is not cut. And then I have some tomatoes that are starting to dry up, which are perfect because they'll reconstitute in the sauce. And then we have, and then I have some lemon zest. I zested off of my lemon. So I'll try to get the juice out of that. And I have some small little bell peppers that have to be used up. Everything has to be used up because it's time to go to the store. And I have some cheese. It was a balsamic hard cheese that I got from Whole Foods, and I had to shred up some Parmesan, so I shredded this up. It's a good cheese. Anyways, I'm not really sure what I'm doing. Oh, and I've got my, watch my oil, garlic, fresh garlic cloves. Here's an idea. Instead of having your garlic head like this, you smush it all down. You get your garlic cloves, and then whenever you need a garlic clove, it's already prepped. I have this in my little, I don't know, pint jar or whatever, sitting always at the stove. Alright, I already put the lemon zest in here, and I didn't cut it up, and I put the cheese in. Now we're going to do the garlic. It's like 3 cloves that you did, really like 2.5, because the one is tiny. Okay, get that out of there. Get this out of here. Alright, so that's done. So stir that all around. Cheese, lemon, and garlic. So I'm not really sure. I should put something else in there. So I'm just like flipping it over, and I'm not putting a whole bunch of stuff on it. And the olive oil, or the coconut oil, is quite hot. So these are not going to take that long to cook. Oh, and I already put salt, Himalayan pink salt today on these guys. Right. Put the leftovers there. Didn't stick, probably because the flame had this oil really hot. Should have left him down for a bit and him down. Not bad though. The lemon peel is doing its thing. Lets me know I got the flame up too high. Oh, you're just going to take it into the living room? Beautiful bunch. Potatoes, lots of veggies, and our chicken. Okay, so here is the verdict on that food that we cooked today. With our potatoes, sweet potato, red potato.
Red bell? No?
Bell pepper. And the chicken. Good? Good.
Absolutely.
All right. That hint of lemon. Good. Try it. Be amazed.